in Exile of East Turkistan Republic would like to strongly demand the United States of America to save our innocent Uyghur people from the tyrannical and inhuman rule of China. We are asking for your help regarding the Uyghur Human Rights Policy Act as 178 amendment. China is currently committing genocide against the Uyghur people in Chinese-occupied East Turkestan, which the Chinese Communist Party invaded in 1949. Since its inclusion in the World Trade Organization in 2002, China has rapidly gained economic power. The Belt and Road Initiative is a global development strategy adopted by the Chinese government to gain territorial expansion into Europe and ultimately the United States. China has forcibly detained at least 3 million innocent Uyghur people into massive concentration camps. In China's concentration camps, victims are tortured, their organs are harvested, and they are given unknown injections. Women are forced to marry Han Chinese men. China is trying to systematically erase the past, present, and future. They have destroyed graveyards and have sent over 500,000 children to state orphanages following their parents' detention in these concentration camps. Your signature on the Uyghur Human Rights Policy Act as 178 amendment is imperative to save the lives of countless innocent Uyghur people and also vital to the protection of American sovereignty. Yours sincerely, the government in exile, East Turkistan Republic.